All right, you made it. Last section. Section 8.5 was the application section. You're going to write the series as an explicit formula to represent the problem and then solve. So I'm going to go ahead and write the explicit formula for a geometric sequence. Okay, remember that R can be increasing or decreasing. So if the problem situation is increasing, you need to use the form 1 plus whatever the rate is. If it's decreasing, you need to use 1 minus the rate. Let's go ahead and try this. For number 1, it says the Dell Corn Company processes canned vegetables. They start harvesting in the fall, which is September, and they harvest until the winter. They start by harvesting 10,000 cans and decrease their amount by 2.5%. How many cans are they harvesting in December? Well, our first term is going to be 10,000. The rate is going to be 1 minus 0.025 because we're decreasing. And the time, which is n, is the number of months. So from September to December, 4 months have gone by. Let's go ahead and set up the explicit formula and find the number of cans. So the number of cans that they are going to process in December is going to be 9,269. Let's try the next problem. Tanya lives on the shore of Boone Lake. The summer was particularly rainy. The rain started in June and ended in September. The rain started at 5 inches and increased 1.8% each month. How much did it rain in September? N is the number of months, so from June to September it's 4. The first term is 5 inches, and then your rate is going to be 1 plus 0.018 because the rain is increasing. I will go ahead and set up the formula and solve. Sorry guys, I didn't finish this one. You're going to have to tell me what the answer is later. Cross off number 3. This one makes no sense. Let's try number 4. Okay, there's several things going on with number 4. Shania is a city planner. She's currently working in Dallas, Texas. She knows the population is currently 150,000 people and increasing at a rate of 3.8%. What's the population in the 5th year, and how many more people moved to Dallas in the 5th year compared to the first year that she worked there? So let's go ahead and collect our data. The first term is going to be 150,000. The number of years going by, so n, is going to be 5 for 5 years. And your rate is increasing, so your rate will be 1.038. Let's go ahead and set up the formula and see how many people are living there in the 5th year. The answer is going to be 174,133. We're going to round up because you can't have 0.83 of a person. There's one more thing we have to answer. It wanted to know how many more people live there in the 5th year compared to the 1st. So we're going to subtract the 5th year and the 1st year and find the difference. $24,133 people have moved to Dallas by the 5th year. Let's do number 5. Sean is currently working at UPS. He earns an average of $38,000 a year with an increase in salary of 2.7 every year. How much is his salary in his 8th year of working? And then how much more money is he getting paid in the 8th year compared to his 1st? I'm going to go ahead and collect all the data, set up the formula, and solve for how much money he's going to get paid in his 8th year. In his 8th year, he's going to be making $45,790.63. Now, we're going to compare the 8th year to the 1st year and find the difference. So let's go ahead and find that amount. The difference from his 8th year of working to his 1st year of working would be $7,790.63. This is the last section of the review. Please bring any questions that you have to next class period. Thank you.